what's up mga kabiyahe? Morning, it's 3 AM. Last day rides. Let's go. Pack up na, pack up. So yun, ride out na kami mga kabiyahe. Time check, 4:41 in the morning. Uh, 60 plus kilometers going to Dalton Pass. Let's go. Mayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya na kami mga kabiyahe. Time check, 5:08.
On the way, Manila, man. Ewan ko. Bababa siya.
Tahimik lang. Wala pa, bambang pa lang. Oh. Approaching na kami, pare daw. Nakikita yung bundok na yan. Hindi kami dyan tatawid. Doon pa sa kabilang bundok. Dalton Pass na lang ang huling pagsubok. Ayaw nga pala. Doña Remedios. Ganda ng view. So time check, it's 5:40 in the morning. Pero yung araw dito sikat na sikat na. Umaga na mga kabiyahe. So more or less 200 kilometers pa pauwi hanggang Pasay. Pero madadagdagan yata yun kasi ang daan daw namin is Doña Remedios Trinidad. Aray ko po, Masbagad. Naglimatihan kayo eh, mga mamaw eh.
Nagbibidyoan lang.
Ha?
Nagbibidyoan.
Ayun na yun.
Nakarating mga smaster. Sheesh.
Tara, dali, tututo kayo sa kamera.
Ayaw ko na.
nagdadala ng peloton, running 38 kph. Maisasagad kaya Tomsky nag out of the saddle na, pinipilit tumutok at nakadikit. Eto na, mas malagkit pa sa kaninang pagkapit. Maisasagad kaya Master Family yung muna para makaginang aerodynamics. Eto na mga kabiyahe, last 200 kilometers bago magrimatihan. Maisasagad kaya. Ayan na po, umaagwat na si Master Family. Umaagwat na Master Tomsky, tumayo na sa saddle. Ayan na, tumututok na Master Family, rumuli. Pero na, hanap sino kaya ang kakapasin. Tingnan natin. Ayan na po, ang ating atong bakbakan. Si Master po napapayoko na. Ayan na, umagwat na si Master Family. Ayan na, ayan na. Pahalan siya. Ang ganda ng punto ko. Ayun o, sarap talaga dito. Nakarami na rin ako dito. Talagang solid. 5:44 in the morning. Let's go. I am Novelco. School. School ba? Kargahan na sila. Liwanag na eh. Buli natin. Bilisan mo, Black Horse. Black Horse, please. So yun mga kabiyahe, andito na kami sa I Love Aritaw na signage. So ilan? 20 km pa daw papuntang Santa Fe. So plus 27 kilometers na ahon going to Dalton Pass. So 27 km pa na pagdurusa. Kasi pagdating namin sa tuktok ng Dalton Pass, puro lusong na yon. Tapos patag na pagdating naman ng Nueva Ecija. So let's go. Fiesta pa nga yata. So yun mga kabiyahe, may mga bago tayong tropa dito. Mga pista ng Aritaw. Ayan, kilalanin natin sila. Yeah. Saan punta yan? Saan punta? Sa Dalton ko, Nueva Ecija. Dalton din kami. Malayo pa ba yun? Malayo pa po. Wala kayo mga helmet. Ano lang po? Ha? Biglaan lang yung punta namin. Biglaan lang? Oo po. Tara. Oh, shoutout. So, shoutout kay dyan na malakas. Ayan o. Ilang kayo lahat? 6? Dami oh. Tara. Woo! Let's go! Trangkuhan nyo. Si Master, trangkuhan nyo. So yun mga kabiyahe. Ayan, Santa Fe Public Market. Yan yung palatandaan ng simula na ng akyatan. Ayan, thank you Papa Jesus. Thank you Lord. Para sa gabay sa aming paglalakbay. Thank you Lord. Thank you, thank you. Ako na, ako na. Seven-kilometer climbs going to Santa Fe, Dalton Pass. After this, mga kabiyahe, mahaba-habang lusong at balik na tayo sa Kapatagan. Konting tiis na lang.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Yun, sa wakas dito na kami sa Dalton Pass. Picture tayo dito. So yun mga kabiyahe, 208 kilometers pa papuntang kilometer 0. Bali plus 7 kilometers hanggang bahay. So 215 estimated, depende pa sa ruta. So dito kami ngayon sa Dalton Pass or Balete Pass. So lusong na ito mga kabiyahe. Sa wakas wala nang matitiling ahon. Tapos itong lusong patag na. Alright. So ayun mga kabiyahe, lulusong na kami. Meron na lang akong 15 minutes na para mag-record. Ayan, let's go.
Right, safe.
Ingat lusong yan.
Mababa.
40 kilometers. Bye-bye. Paalam Dalton.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fame. She look better in bed. Never rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget. Everything is so boring. Can't get up in the morning. I'm so sick of the mundane and routine. I'm gonna break without warning. I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fame. And she look better in bed. Never rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget. I've gotta find a new purpose, something actually worth it. I wanna look in the mirror and like what I see. I'm sick of feeling so worthless. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. Just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. Just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. Yeah. Gonna go down swinging. I get lost in the feeling. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. Yeah. I'm gonna go down swinging. I get lost in the feeling. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. Yeah. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in
climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the power, disbelief. They'll deceive with the negativity. I like to slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to a...
So ayun mga kabiyahe, andito na kami sa San Jose town proper, matapos ang maatikabong paglusong. So ayun mga kabiyahe, dito kami sa tapat ng San Jose Public Market, dito sa may bike shop dito. So almost 2 hours din namin nilusong. Bali dito kami magre-regroup. Andyan pa si Master Tonsky na iwan sa likod. Ngayon pa kayo dito? Nakatulog ka na yata ah. Ha? Ayan. Okay na Master Par?
Tono na lang, tono.
Tono na lang.
Kasi nahulog pag na yung back pedal.
Bago na yan?
Bago lang.
Asan yung luma?
Tinapon ko na.
Ba't mo tinapon? Pa-frame mo.
Ito.
Ipa-frame mo kasi maraming napuntahan yan eh. Ay, uy mo ga. Ipa-frame mo nga. Ayan o, put-put na, grabe o.
Sumuko.
Talisin mo.
Ano mo?
Oo. Ayan mo, itawag na ito.
May ang bigat-bigat din ito.
Ah!
Bigat.
Ikaw, bala ka. So yun mga kabiyahe. Ayan, pasok na tayo ng Muñoz. Ayan, bahala ko. San Jose. Manila, 152 kilometers. Ayan o. Yun mga kabiyahe, tapos namin ng City of Muñoz. Grabe, time check 11:53. Grabe na yung init, sobrang init na. Tiga-tiga na lang. Time check 12:34, kainitan. Bigay na ako ng yelo sa hita ko. Ayan. Yelo yung umbok na yan, kabilaan. Para hindi tayo mag-overheat. Ayun mga kabiyahe. Banatuan na tayo. Let's go. Hindi lang iinit. Alauna 1:01 in the afternoon. SM City, Cabanatuan. Yun o, arko ng Cabanatuan sa kabilang side. So palabas na tayo ng Cabanatuan. Time check 1:30. So ayun, saan ko lang mabilisan.
try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace.
Yo, what's up mga kabiyahe? Grabe, sobrang init. So, bumili muna ako ng refreshment. Hydration is the key para tumagal tayo sa init mga kabiyahe. Bumili na akong yelo. Lalagay ko yan dito sa hydration bag ko. Grabe. Dito na nga pala ako sa San Miguel, Bulacan. So, bali daan namin pabalik ng Manila sa mga Doña Remedios Trinidad dito sa DRT. Bali sa DRT yung daan namin mga kabiyahe. Bakit DRT? Bukod sa maahon, umiwas kami sa traffic. Naghahanap talaga kami ng ahon kasi balak namin pataasin yung elevation gain. Well, unfortunately, speaking of elevation gain, yung Magency 406 ko is hindi niya nare-record, or baka sa ano lang, hopefully no, sa display lang, hindi niya na kaya i-display yung above 10,000 elevation gain. So sana nga ganun, kasi ayan o, kung titignan nyo, ayan mga kabiyahe, ito yung elevation gain ko. 9,999 lang ang nag-reflect, pero 10,000 plus na ako mga kabiyahe. So ayun, ay grabe naman, tignan mo yung distance natin mga kabiyahe, oh. Coincidence ba to? 999. So yan yung total distance ko sa 5 days na padyakan. 999 elevation gain, 10,000 plus yan. Hindi lang nag-reflect dahil ito lang siguro yung kayang ipakita ni Imagine. Hopefully no, pag in-upload natin is lalabas yung totoo niyang elevation gain. So yung saddle time ko is 48 hours 23 minutes. Average speed lang ako ng 20.8 kilometers per hour. Time check is 3:18 at yung gradient natin is 2.7. So medyo ahon to. So ayun, hinihintay ko lang yung iba kong mga kasama. Yung isa nasa Gapan pa, Naplatan. Shout out kay Master John J, wag ka pang hinaan ng loob. Medyo malayo-layo siya, 19 kilometers away siya mula dito sa destination ko. Tapos sila Master Farley, sila Master Lakbay ni Tonsky, nandyan lang sa likod. Mga 7 to 6 kilometers lang yung agwat. Grabing traffic ngayon pabalik ng Manila, kaya dito kami sa bundok dadaan para makaiwas sa traffic. So ayun, wala eh, ganun talaga. Immune na kami sa ahon. Parang wala na, bali wala na lang yung ahon. Sobrang dami ba naman ang inaahon namin. So yun mga kabiyahe, andyan si Lakbay ni Tonsky tsaka si Master Farley.
Yan, san?
Ayan, kain muna kami, 2 rice na agad para busog. Dito kami ngayon sa San Miguel, Bulacan. Dahil yung araw ko ng Camp Pablo, Texon. Ayan, 1st Tank Ranger Regiment. So kakain lang kami mga kabiyahe. Time check nga pala 4:27. So pa DRT kami, sobrang traffic sa main road kaya iniwasan namin. So mamaya na lang. So yun mga kabiyahe, ahon na kami ng DRT. mga ano eh, mga walang kasawaan sa ahon tong mga kasama ko. Dalawa lang kasi option namin, ahon o traffic. Ahon na lang tayo, at least walang traffic. Alright. Ayun o, 6%. Oy, 7.5. Let's go. Yun o. Yan ba yung biyak na bato, mga kabiyahe? Yan ba yun? Or hindi? Hindi ako sure ha. Sakit din ang ahon dito. Huling ahon ko dito 2021. Ngayon lang ulit. Yun, time check 5:27. So nung ginugol ko siya mula doon kanina sa kinainan namin, nasa 112 pa. 112 hanggang bahay. Ahon. Grabe. Ay, Barangay Kalawakan, DRT Bulacan. Ayan o. Tapos yun yung ahon. Go, go, go. Uy, grabe. Pasipol-sipol lang o. Pigang piga. Go! Kaya mo yan! Uy! Grabe, pasipol-sipol oh! Alam mo yun, yung nabudol ang nambudol. Master par, Master, yung nabudol ang nambudol.
Buti ka di, arte lang eh. Kabayunan lagay niya.
Ay, ayan. Alright. Ni-enjoy ko na lang yung ahon. Uy, bumalik ko. Hello? Bumalik ko. Ah, Belo. May pagbelo. Ay, ito may matarik na ahon dito pagkatapos. Ayun o. Naalala ko to. Ahon 12%, 10, 11. Haba pa yan. Ayun o. $11.4. Hey! Go, go, go. Lusing na yan. Dito kami sa Vickers Hills na. 6:06 na. So yun mga kabiyahe, ito magre-regroup lang kami dito sa may intersection sa, hindi ko alam kung saan lugar to eh, pero last 15 kilometers na sa makakalabas na kami dito sa Doña Remedios Trinidad at papasok pa tayo sa Angat, Bulacan. So ayun, konti na lang. Titi. So yun mga kabiyahe, andito na sila Jimwell at saka si Master John J. Ayan, si Master Far. So nakapag-regroup na kami, tuloy ang biyaheng bike palabas dito sa DRT, papuntang Angat, tapos San Jose del Monte, tapos Fairview, tapos all the way sa bahay. Bali last 84 kilometers na lang makakauwi na si Black Horse at ako. So yun mga kabiyahe, andito na kami sa Arco ng Doña Remedios Trinidad, nakalabas na kami. So yan, I love DRT nakasulat. Yan, picture muna sila. Time check 8:21. So ayan mga kabiyahe. So konti na lang. Wala nang 100, makakauwi na tayo.